Emergency Room to 24 Hours. The featuring the Yosuke Iguchi as a young emergency room doctor and Nanako Mashutumiya as his ever appreciative assistant also fails. It is just one medical emergency after another interrupted by bits of silliness such as the scenes where a doctor accidentally smokes the marijuana cigarettes confiscated from a tattooed character while the staff is busy helping the thug give birth to the dozens of heroin-filled condom he has swallowed. A really unique and a very confusing drama, but a really amazing drama and a worth watching medical drama. After that, we have a Fragile. The dashingly handsome Kishi is a Sobukai First General Hospital's only pathologist, described as the intensely eccentric and very sharp tongue. He is an extremely outstanding doctor. He will clash with the other party no matter who he or she is for the sake of a medical justice and the life of a patient. He is considered a nuisance by the doctor around him, but they never go against his judgment because he does not mince his words. He makes nothing but enemies. Rookie neurologist Miyazaki Chiro, who works at the same hospital as the Kishi, is lectured by senior Dr. Kosaka every day. She has reservations about his emphasis on a work efficiency but cannot refute. And then the love games start here. Dr. Koto Shinrojo. In this drama set on the Shikina Island of Japan, the young physician Kensuke Koto arrives at the island and has to deal with the island's inhabitants uneager to accept him at a clinic lacking sufficient medical equipment. Here's a human drama showing how the Dr. Koto values the dignity of a human life while unflinchingly facing the disease with a serious attitude. Compared to the city with its fleeting human relationship, life on an island features strong bond so that the inhabitants are said to be one big family. The series closely examines ties between the parents and the children, husband and a wife, and between the friends. Such a timeless theme as the illness, life, and a family are depicted with a close human relationship on a distant island in Japan, southern seas, where a pristine natural beauty remains as it is. Dr. DMAT. DMAT, the acronym of the Disaster Medical Assistant Team, was first established in 2004. For the past 10 years, the team has been providing on-site emergency assistance at a disaster-hit areas. The Yakumo was a surgeon at the Arishikawa General Hospital Emergency Unit, but due to the mistake involving his sister Haruko, he has since been transferred to the Internal Medicine Unit. One day, the hospital director, Dr. Isesaki, requests for a Hibiki to move to the DMAT. His childhood friend, nurse Yoshikyo, encourages him to take up the role, but upon joining the team, the Hibiki finds his new colleague aloof and a little eccentric. His first assessment is to pile up the accident in the road tunnel, and he finds himself working against the time. God Hand Teru. The story revolves around a young man named Magi Shaki. When he was young, his father, a brilliant surgeon, died in an accident, but not before saving the Teru's life. As a result, the Teru also aims to become a great surgeon like his father, devoted to never letting a patient die. A clumsy newcomer at his hospital, he seems to be an unlikely savior, but whenever a patient's life is in danger, his true power emerges in the form of his god hands, allowing him to successfully perform even the most difficult operation. And then his power he uses for the benefits of the patient and not for the misuse. But the people wants to use him as a misuse, but he never do that. Resident find in no Kenshui. The patients are brought in one another after the other, being put in an environment where there is a race against the time to save the life. All they can do is to stand there doing nothing. Though they still have a lot of to grow as a doctor and as an individual, will they be able to overcome the adversity and one day be able to proudly identify them as being a doctor? Go and watch this drama, and this is a really unique drama where the doctors are proving themselves. Doctor's Affairs. The Marito Hariko is a surgeon with a strong sense of justice. He resists a system at a university hospital which prioritizes profits and authority. He is only concerned on saving his patient's life. Due to his singular nature, he has forgotten how to love. Then he meets the Kondo, a surgeon and also his senior. She has been observed in her work and has now passed the marriageable age. Haruki falls for Chiruzu little by little, and then they both are really going to be love in the intense love, but also managing their duties in the profession. After that, we have a good doctor. The Minato Shindo has a 7th syndrome. His memory is amazing, but he has a difficulty communicating with other people. When the Minato Shindo was a little, he dreamed of becoming a doctor. He met the doctor Akira, and he wants to become a pediatric surgeon. Akira Shinga was surprised by the 7-year-old memory of the human organ, and he decided to support the Minato in achieving his dream of being doctor. Eventually, the Minato Shindo graduated from the medical school and passed the national exam for the medical practitioner. Now Akira works work as a director at a large hospital. He suggests to Minato to work in the pediatric surgery department at his hospital where he works, and then the game of the good doctor with the inability start here. Code Blue 1 and 2 season. The doctor helicopter system was legalized in Japan in 2007. A medical team is dispatched to the patient on a helicopter to provide the medical care in the field as soon as possible. One day, the 4 young physicians are assigned to this latest medical system. The doctor experiences the traumatic medical situation, deal with the personal ambitions, witness the fragility of a life, and they go personally and professionally, and also they can do anything to save the people's life. But also it is not easy for them to go on this. Go and watch the amazing drama and you are surely going to love it.